హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఈరోజు మనం థర్డ్ క్లాస్ బ్లాసమ్స్ ఇంగ్లీష్ వర్క్ బుక్లో ఉన్న సెకండ్ లెసన్ ద రెసిపీ బుక్లోని వర్క్షీట్ 2.1ని ఏ విధంగా ఆన్సర్ చేయాలో నేర్చుకుందాం. ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్, రీడ్ ద ఫస్ట్ అండ్ సెకండ్ పారాగ్రాఫ్స్ ఆన్ పేజ్ నెంబర్ 14. ఐడెంటిఫై ద 3-letter words and write them in the space given below. ఎగ్జాంపుల్, మ్యాన్. తర్వాత చూడండి, హూ, హిస్, ద, వాజ్, వన్, డే, get. Second section, write the missing letters in the following words. First one, hotel, HOTEL, hotel. Second one, food, FOOD, food. Third one, dinner, DINNER, dinner. Fourth one, party, PARTY, party. Fifth one, people, PEOPLE, people. Third section, match the following with the same word. One is done for you. Food, food. Dinner, dinner. Hotel, hotel. People, people. Cook, cook. Bed, bed. Worksheet 2.2, first section, read the third to sixth paragraph. Identify the 4-letter words and write them in the space given below. For example, want. Next chudandi, loss, cook, book, this. Said, dear, Raju, help, fell. Second section, make meaningful sentences from the following table. For example, he decided to cook. తర్వాత చూడండి, he decided to eat. He decided to go. He decided to sing. He decided to drink. He decided to help. Third section, supply the missing letters to make them meaningful words. Opportunity, OPPO, RTUNITY. Suddenly, SUDDENLY, suddenly. Fainted, FAINTED, fainted. Friends, FRIENDS, friends. Worksheet 2.3, first section, read the 7th to 11th paragraphs on page number 15. Identify the 5-letter words and write them in the space given below. For example, knife, slice, ready, stove, begin, after. Second section, match the following with the same word. One is done for you. Stove, stove. Knife, knife. Recipe book, recipe book. Friends, friends. Dinner, dinner. Dishes, dishes. Third section, write 5 meaningful sentences from the following table. One is done for you. Let's begin cooking. Let's begin reading. Let's begin writing. Let's begin playing. Let's begin eating. Let's begin jumping. Worksheet 2.4, first section, read the 12th to 14th paragraph on page number 15. Identify the 5-letter words and write in the space given below. For example, after, next, hours, party, ready, mixer, knife. Second section, supply the missing letters to complete the words. Kitchen, 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 KITCHEN. ఈ విధంగా మనం ఈ మిస్సింగ్ లెటర్స్ని రాయాలి. Third section, write 5 meaningful sentences from the following table. One is done for you. He looked at the recipe book. He looked at the board. He looked at the bus. He looked at the bicycle. He looked at the sky. Worksheet 2.5, reading comprehension. First section, read the following passage. Once there lived a man named Raju. He owned a small hotel. The food was very tasty in his hotel. Everybody who visited his hotel liked the food. Raju used to supply food on bulk orders. One day he got a order to cook for a big dinner party, but unfortunately he fell ill. Raju was quite worried. He said to himself, I am not feeling well. I am not able to get out of the bed. How can I cook for many people? Second section, choose the right answer. First one, who was the owner of the hotel? Answer C, Raju. Second one, Raju used to supply food on bulk orders. A. Third one, Raju got a big order for a dinner party. B. Fourth one, what happened to Raju on the day of big party? He fell ill. A. Fifth one, who liked food in Raju's hotel? Everybody. Option B.